Welcome to vlog number 4. Alright guys, that's enough handstands for one day. I have something to share with you later on, but first of all, I'm just home from the gym, so it's time to get showered and changed, and we are going to go to one of the locations on the Belfast coffee map for some coffee and donuts. Yeah! Woohoo! You guys are going to love this place. What do you see? Folks, Guild Trip in Belfast. They specialise in donuts and coffee, in case you didn't already guess. I apologise I couldn't get more footage. I was just too busy to wander around the cool coffee shop, but I'll be back, don't worry. Anyway, into the office to hear what I've got to tell you about. Alright, so today's topic is about shoes and footwear and how that can affect your back and your knees and ankles and so on, and more in particular today I am unboxing my new Xero shoes. In a nutshell, there's about 200,000 nerve endings in your foot, and if you use a traditional shoe then it cramps up your foot basically and doesn't allow it to be a foot. And like your hand, if you wore your hand in a mitten, tight mitten that held it together, you would soon notice the difference and your hand would soon not work. So that's, I suppose, in a nutshell, that's the same ethos. These are the shoes I am unboxing. There's a wee note from the founders. Feel free to pause the video. Okay, these are the shoes. These are the men's Hana. They started off, I think, making sandals, which I have a pair I'm trying on at the minute. I've only had them on for a day, and this is one of their signature things, so you can see it here. So I've started, you've probably seen it in some of my videos, I've started wearing minimalist shoes, and I feel that it is helping my back. I am actually worried they'll not fit me because they're a size 8.5, it was the closest that I could get. And I am a UK 8, these are 8.5 American. So what Xero says, they are a casual shoe, but they can certainly do anything. Their sole comes with, I think, a 5,000 mile guarantee, although you'll be doing well to test that out, but hopefully it gives you some reassurance that they're well built. First impressions are, yep, they seem dead on. They're a nice cloth material, some tougher material around the front, and a nice grippy sole. They bend up quite easily, and the difference is, so it allows your foot to move in all sorts of shapes. You'll notice that the shape, so you'll see the shape around here, it's more like a foot. If you were to compare these to my trainers that I do have, they don't really move. And you'll notice another difference is the rise in the heel. So these are quite flat, there's no rise, and these here go from small up to quite a big heel, which I think in the first place was designed to help your Achilles, but in actual fact it just leads to other problems with your ankle and your knees. There we have it. We'll give it a blast, but I know there's one thing you're wanting to know. There you go, they can in fact handstand. So I plan on giving these a wee blast. I'll give them, I don't know, a month or so, and then I will do another video on how I feel they have got on and what they have done. Any good points or bad points, but first initial thoughts are happy days, dead on. Thanks for watching. Again, the usual. Press a wee thumbs up if you like the video. Click the subscribe button, and if you're feeling extra special, ding the wee bell. Thank you very much.